Today, I will show you how to quick start with our NIR Analyzer software. The machine requires 30 minutes preheating before use, and we done before. Okay, we open the software. We need to do performance testing before. We recommend do 1 time per day. You can see this is our reference place, and this is 3 pins. We lock in slot like this, and we press begin testing. Okay, you can see the results, and we passed. And we can start measuring now. You can see this our sample, and we choose soybean granular. First, we right click and add the product group. Okay, right click and apply this button. We add our model in your local file. Just soybean granular. You can write your name here. Okay, we can start measuring now, and you can follow steps shown in the picture here. Okay, we need to do background first. You can see, yes, like before. Lock in slot, and we press background button. Okay. Okay, and we can put our sample in the sample tray. We imagine now. About 10 seconds, you can see the results, and we test 3 times. Okay, you can see the results. It's very similar and very stable.